So what do you need to get started? There are 5 things that you'll need in order to successfully complete this course. I'm going to go through each of them step by step. Number 1 is, and maybe this is obvious, but you're going to need a computer. Laptop or desktop computer, doesn't matter. Windows PC or Linux, again, doesn't matter, okay? I happen to be using a Mac computer, and I'll be doing a lot of my demos on this computer. But if you have a PC, and I know most of you do, that's perfectly fine. So don't worry about that. As long as you've got a computer and you're comfortable using it, that's going to be fine. Don't worry even if it's an older computer. That is totally fine, okay? Number 2, you're going to need some very basic computer skills. And I mean basic, okay? You need to be comfortable knowing how to use a mouse, okay? I think that goes without saying, but I'm just going to mention that. You also need to know how to open and save files on your computer. So here I am just opening up this sample budget right here, and you need to be able to be comfortable with, saving things, knowing where to find things, that sort of thing, okay? Nothing really, really complicated, all right? Number 3, I do need you, I need to make sure that you understand basic math. And by basic math, I mean super simple math, adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, that sort of thing. Rest assured, you don't have to do the math in your head. That is, that's not the point. In fact, the point of us learning how to use spreadsheets is so we don't have to do the math in our head. But we should understand what it is that we're asking the spreadsheet to do. So I'm sort of moving with the assumption that you understand at least that elementary school level math. So adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division, that sort of thing. Number 4, you need some sort of spreadsheet software. And most of you probably already have Microsoft Excel installed on your computer. That will be fantastic. That'll work fine. If you don't have Excel, no problem, okay? And in fact, in the next video, I'm going to actually walk through some free alternatives to Microsoft Excel. Just in case you don't have Excel, I'm going to talk to you about some other software that you can use instead of Excel that will do exactly the same thing. And in fact, I will be demonstrating the majority of all the steps on my computer using a free alternative to Microsoft Excel. My feeling is I just really want to make sure that these skills are as accessible to people as possible, and you shouldn't have to spend a ton of money to be able to learn how to use spreadsheets. So check that out in the next video. Look for some free alternatives to Microsoft Excel in that next video. Number 5, and this is the most important thing, you need to have a desire to learn, right? Maybe you need to learn how to use spreadsheets for work or for school, but trust me, there's actually spreadsheets are actually really, really handy in other contexts too. And I hope that you're excited about learning them, because I sure am excited about teaching them. So that's it. Number 5 things that you need. You need a computer. You need some super basic computer skills. You need some basic math understanding. You need some sort of spreadsheet software, and I sure hope that you're excited about learning this, okay? So that's it for now. In the next video, I'm going to walk through some of those free alternatives to Microsoft Excel, and then we'll be ready to get started. So I'll see you then.